In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find archived charts in ChatGPT. So if you had archived charts, or you can see your charts that you had previously worked on, probably they were archived and you need to retrieve them. So all you need to do is to go to the right corner here on your account and tap on it or click on it, and then click on the settings option. Now from here, look for archived charts, and as you can see, archived charts are here. Now go ahead and tap or click on manage. Now when you click on manage, you will see all the archived charts that you have on your ChatGPT account, and all you need to do is to retrieve them. Now to retrieve any chart that you had archived, all you need to do is to identify it. For instance, we want to unarchive this, and once you have identified it, you can unarchive it by just tapping on this button here next to delete, and then tap on it to retrieve it. And as you can see, immediately the chart has been restored. Now next, we may want to unarchive this and this. So just tap on as many as you want, and you realize that my list is continuing to grow. And once you have finished, just go ahead and tap on this close to remove this window and this one. And now you can see the archived charts are here. So if you want to open any of them, just go ahead and tap on it, and it will open up the history, and all the materials that you had searched will be available for you. So that's how we unarchive or we retrieve archived charts in ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.